Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by cleaning hands and skin so the roller meets a sterile surface. This reduces infection risk. Once done, soak the Derma roller head in 70% isopropyl alcohol for 5 to 10 minutes to disinfect. Do not use diluted household cleaners. While it soaks, pat your face dry and position a clean towel beneath. Make sure to set a timer, timing matters, and avoid touching the needle cartridge with your fingers after drying. You then work methodically. Divide the treatment area into zones so you can count passes and avoid overworking skin. Start with light pressure, roll vertically, then horizontally, then diagonally for balanced microchannels. Make 4 to 6 passes per zone. Once you hit that, move on. Keep sessions brief, about 5 to 10 minutes total, because excessive trauma slows healing. If you feel sharp pain or visual bleeding, pause immediately and assess. Gentle soreness is you finish by cleaning and storing the roller properly so it's safe next time. Rinse the head under hot running water to remove debris, then re-soak in 70% isopropyl alcohol for another 5 to 10 minutes. Air dry standing on a clean surface. Apply a soothing, non-irritating serum and make sure to wear broad-spectrum sunscreen the next day. If excessive redness, swelling, or persistent burning occurs, stop using the device and consult a professional. That's your key troubleshooting step.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.